Prosperity has been saying that we should calm down and support the team and focus, and I think that's the best way. We have won 4 games in a row, and people are already talking about the title. We have a lot of games to go, so I don't think the title can be decided now. Even if House of Oak are not performing well, House of Oak are not the only team in the Ghana Premier League. Any team can swoop up and steal that top spot if Kotoko are not serious. So it is important that we stay grounded, follow the team gradually, support them, and calm ourselves down. I know people are already talking about the title because of House of Oak. I've said it. They are not the only team in the Ghana Premier League. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, your ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, 4 wins in a row. I don't think anyone would have imagined that we'll win the first 4 games after what they say we couldn't beat Division 3 team in Dubai. People were saying Kotoko they couldn't beat Division 2 team, Division 10 team. Kotoko can't beat them in Dubai. Let them come back here. House of Oak, we show them. This team we show them and all that. So I'm glad that Prosperity has psyched the ball and tell them that forget about the results we've had here in Dubai. We are going to Ghana to perform well, and they did it. Now the game against 11 Wonders is a very tricky game because I think the first few minutes of the game, the first 20-15 minutes, 11 Wonders had 2 big chances and they could have scored. I was scared that Kotoko would concede in that game, and 11 Wonders had 2 big chances to score and they fluffed it. If they had good strikers and good attackers, they could have scored, and that is one of the areas Prosperity should be working on, making the players know that at the beginning of the game they should control the game, control the momentum, and give it to the opponent, not all those lackadaisical positioning in that particular 11 Wonders game. I think the 2 chances they got was from the wings. Our right back and our left back moved upwards and gave a huge space for the player to have the opportunity to strike at our goalkeeper, and I think he made a couple of saves in that game. I think he's returning to his best, 3 clean sheets right now. I think Razak Habarera is currently the best goalkeeper in Ghana with the way things are going. I hope he keeps on keeping clean sheets in the Ghana Premier League because he deserves to be in that Black Star squad. I'm telling you that he deserves to be in that Black Star squad. So I'm hoping to see him back into the Black Stars team. Now, overall, the team was good. The midfield, Richard Bedu, has started 3 games so far, and we haven't considered in those 3 games. I think he has been a difference in that midfield. Mudasiru and the rest, they have been playing very well. I think they should improve more. I think there's room for more improvement. I think we just have to create a link between the defense, midfield, and the attack. Once this link is created, I don't think any team in the Ghana Premier League will be able to stop us. Now, Isaac Opong has obviously been the best player so far this season, and he's been performing. He scored again, and I think he could have had an assist. I think he should have had an assist in that game, but they couldn't finish it off. So I think I'm going to make a separate video about Isaac Opong, so look out for that. I think he's one of the best signings we've made in recent years, and he'll continue to improve. Now, as for other players that were given chances, people like Joseph Amako and Amankona, they were all given chances to shine, and they couldn't take the opportunity. And Isaac Opong is the kind of player that if you give him chance to shine, and he will take it, and he has done that so far. I think his success so far in the Kotoko team should motivate other boys, Joseph Amako and Amankona, to when they get the opportunity again, maybe in the FA Cup or they come as a sub, they should make good use of it. They should make good use of their chances and perform for Kotoko, because fans are supporting Isaac Opong. I don't think fans will be supporting him if he hasn't been performing well, but he's clearly showing that he can offer a lot to this team, and the fans are rallying around him, behind him, giving him all the support. So if given the opportunity, please go out, put out your good performance, and we will support you, because I know we are still supporting the ones at the bench. Yes, that they should have the opportunities to play, and when they do, they should go out there and play very, very well, and I want to see them perform very well. And as for the striking, Samuel Boateng, I think Prosperity is a genius with Samuel Boateng, because I am sure that after the first game that he couldn't score, he struggled. Then the game at Bavaria Stadium, the first game at Bavaria Stadium, he struggled again, and Prosperity still believed in him because of what he saw on the training ground and said, continue my boy, continue, and he scored that goal. I think Samuel Boateng has a lot to offer to Kotoko. I think we should also be patient with him, and as time goes on, his confidence will grow and he will score more goals for Kotoko, and I'm hoping he does that very soon and consistently, because we really need a Kotoko player to break that record that has been set. Kotoko player to be the one to break that record has been set as the highest goal scored in the Ghana Premier League, and I hope Isaac Opong or Samuel Boateng turns up and break that record, because we still have a lot of games to go and we can still score a lot of goals. I know fans also think that we might get complacent in the future. I hope Prosperity will be able to sack the players, whenever we lose a game, because you can't win every game. Whenever or if we lose a game in the Ghana Premier League, I hope the coach, or when we have a setback, a draw, or a lose, the coach will have the mentality to ability to sack the players and let them know that this is just a setback, it's a minor setback, we're going to get back on track. We didn't do this well today, we didn't do that well today, next time we are going to do it very well and get all 3 points. That is what I want to hear. I don't want when things go bad the coach will start throwing players under the bus. This player didn't do this player didn't do that. You should be knowing that all those players that you are calling out now, they were players that performed earlier and were giving you the points. So I just hope that Prosperity will be that man to sack the players and let them know that when tough time comes, we just have to be prepared for that and know how to scale past at that particular stage. If we want to win the league, we start now. We have won our first 4 games. We'll have the opportunity to win other games and perform well, rotate the team, maintain momentum, eventually win the league. But starting now, only 4 games in, you are saying we've won the league, it's too early. I keep telling fans, please take it easy, because Prosperity has a lot of work to do with the squad, and with time the players will get better, and I hope he does it very soon, because we really need to win the Ghana Premier League this season, and I hope we do. So I'd like to know your thoughts on the whole issue, the 11 Wonders game. I was actually scared that 11 Wonders were going to score, but they couldn't. They are yet to score a goal in the Ghana Premier League this season. I hope they perform well in their next season, in their next game, and eventually the rest of the season. Their coach seemed like a nice guy. I just hope that Kotoko continue with their fine form. So I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the game? What are your performance, or what are your expectations in the upcoming game? What do you think Kotoko will put out against Kerala? What kind of performance do you think Kotoko will put against Kerala? Kerala lost against Medema this morning. Do you think that they can beat Kerala away from home? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. I'll do a preview of that game, and I'm going to do it in the coming days. I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't, please do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.